Hello everyone. So we have 16 all over s to the power of 2 equals to s to the power of 2 all over 16. X is the unknown. So we're going to solve together. Let's see solution. The equation 16 over x to the power of 2 equals to s to the power of 2 all over 16. But 16 can be written as 4 to the power of 2. So in place of 16, we're going to write 4 to the power of 2. That way, the next line will become 4 to the power of 2 for this over s to the power of 2 equals to s to the power of 2 over 4 to the power of 2 for this. And we are very fine. Again, we are going to cross multiply. So if we do this very well, we have 4 to the power of 2 times 4 to the power of 2 equals to x to the power of 2 times s to the power of 2. But from exponent, if we have a times a, it can be represented as a to the power of 2. So the next line becomes 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 equals to s to the power of 2 also to the power of 2. And we are very fine. So here, we can write as 0 is equals to s to the power of 2 to the power of 2. We're going to transform this to the right hand side, becomes negative 4 to the power of 2 also to the power of 2. So if we flip this very one, we have s to the power of 2 to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 also to the power of 2, close the bracket, equals to 0. But from algebra, we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, and it's represented as a plus b times a minus b, where a is equal to x to the power of 2 here, and b is equals to 4 to the power of 2, which is here. And if we agree on this, the next line becomes s to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2 for here, close the bracket, and s to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 all equal to 0. Equal to 0. So here, we end up having two cases. Case 1 is s to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2 equal to 0. And case 2 is s to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 equals to 0. So if we treat case 1, we're going to have s to the power of 2 equals to minus 4 to the power of 2. So we're going to take the square root of both sides to eliminate this square. And the next line becomes square root of s to the power of 2 is equal to square root of plus or minus 4 to the power of 2. So here, the square root and square will cancel out. What is left is s equals to plus or minus square root of 4 to the power of 2 times minus 1. And we are fine. Because 4 to the power of 2 times minus 1 is same as minus 4 to the power of 2, and it's very fine. So that s will be equals to plus or minus square root of 4 to the power of 2 times square root of minus 1. But square root of minus 1 is given as I. So that s can be equals to plus or minus 4i, since the square and square root will cancel out. So from here we have s1 equals to plus 4i and s2 equals to minus 4i. So for case 2, s to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 is equals to 0. But a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is represented as a plus b and a minus b. Here, a is equals to x and b is 4. And if we do this very well, we're going to end up having s plus 4 times s minus 4 is equal to 0. And this ends up with two solutions where s plus 4 is equals to 0 or s minus 4 is equals to 0. So if we do this one, we have s equals to minus 4 and here s equals to plus 4. So that x3 is equals to minus 4 and s4 is equals to plus 4. So we have s1 equals to plus 4i, s2 equals to minus 4i, and s3 equals to minus 4, and s4 equals to plus 4. We're going to verify, let's see this and this to check if the value for s can satisfy the original equation. So to verify, from our original equation, we have 16 over x to the power of 2 is equal to x to the power of 2 over 16. So for s equals to 4i, we have 16 over 4i to the power of 2 is equals to 4i to the power of 2 over 16. So if we solve one, we're going to have 16 over 4 to the power of 2, I to the power of 2 is equals to 4 to the power of 2, I to the power of 2, all over 16. And this can be 16 over 4 to the power of 2 is 16 times I to the power of 2 is minus 1 is equals to 16 times minus 1 all over 16. And this ends up being 16 over minus 16 equals to minus 16 over 16. And if you do this very one, 16 over minus 16, that is minus 1, equals to minus 1. So that means it is true that s equals to minus 4i because it satisfies the equation, the right hand side is equal to the left hand side. So for s equals to plus 4, we have original equation 16 over s to the power of 2 is equals to s to the power of 2 over 16. So that 16 over 4 to the power of 2 is equals to 4 to the power of 2 over 16. So if we do this, we're having 16 over 16 is equals to 16 over 16. And this cancelled, we have 1 over 1. It's also true that the value of s to be plus 4 is correct. So you can test this out on your own and this on your own. Thank you for staying true to the end.